Yo, what's up everybody? Dan Greer, Eclipse DOT, coming at you today from Arizona, and today I'm going to chat all about our ELDT Boot Camp. So what is a boot camp? The boot camp is something where you can come in and you can learn 100% how to do ELDT training for your team. Now, this is all for in-house training. If you're going to want to go train the world, like, you can totally come to our program, use that, but this is more for like training your guys in-house. Now, if you're trying to get your CDL, this program's not for you, okay? This is for training trainers. That's what this is for. And what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to do our accelerated ELDT program. And what that means is that you get to learn how to teach the ELDT criteria in like 1 to 2 days, okay? So you're not losing any more downtime getting guys their CDLs, okay? We're gonna go over everything that has to be done, and by the end of this class, you're gonna have your TPR account set up with the federal government. You're gonna have everything like that going on. You're gonna be 100% trained up, good to go. You're gonna know how the test is done in most states, at least for the modernized AMVA test, AMVA, AAMVA, American Motor Vehicle Association. That's who controls the CDL testing. And you're going to know how that is scored. And you're also going to know how to do the training, what's required for federal government. We're going to give you all the tools, everything you need to be successful in this, so you can build your own in-house training program. So if you have a training program and you want to make it better, come to this boot camp. If you don't have a program and you want to build your own and you're sick of sending people to 1-week schools or 4-week schools or however freaking long they are right now, like, come to this program, okay? We're going to be doing them all over the place. So check it out. See where we're doing the next one at. Who cares if it's close to you, right? Think about this. This is the way I look at this ELDT thing, the train the trainer, the boot camp. If you can go to the boot camp and you can 100% get, like, you can train the trainer for the same cost as what you could train one person for, why in the world wouldn't you do that? That makes like no sense why you wouldn't go do train the trainer and have your guy then do an in-house thing for what it costs. Because if you're going to do more than one person in the next 2 years, 100% worth your time. You're going to do more than one person a year to get a CDL, 100% worth your time, because now then you're doing it all in-house. All of your training is done in-house, okay? And that's what this is all about. It's helping you build an in-house training program, because here at Eclipse DOT, our job is to help companies who use trucks in their business. We want to give you all the tools that you need to be successful. What that means is that we take the complexity out of the compliance side of it. That way you can focus on what's really important, which is what? Your business. Growing your business, growing your revenue, growing your profits, supporting your people. That's what's important, and that's what we're here to help you do. And that's why we cater these programs. That's why we build these programs. All right, I'm going to see you guys in the next boot camp. Okay, remember, if you're trying to get your CDL, not a good program for you. If you've already got your CDL, you want to be a trainer, dude, hit us up. We'll work with you. We'll get you going. We'll get your own in-house program started. All right, tell you guys later.